This is how to do the weekly general manager numbers. So the file is located in Team Folder DPO Restaurant Store Performance. So you'll open the most recent file, which was last week, sent the 10th of June. So I've already got that open. So I go to that file. First thing that's important to do is to change the date and resave it. So green, just remember green is where you make inputs. So the first thing we're going to do to be safe is go ahead and we're going to change it to 6/17. That was the Sunday that the week ended. And all these numbers change because it's trying to pull data from 6/17 and we haven't entered any data yet. But we're going to go ahead and rename this file, save as, and we're going to name it 6/17, which is the Sunday that it ended. And now we're kind of safe that we're not messing up anything. Okay, the current to tab basically pulls the summary from the three stores. So Athens has its own tab, Columbus, Morgantown. So our job here is to populate the current week, the week of 6/17 for all three stores. So what we do is we go and open the master ledger for Athens. It's called Bobcat Dough, and we're on the GM report tab. So there's lots of tabs, starts with end of day inputs, but the GM report tab is what we care about. All of this data is automated. It goes out and grabs the numbers automatically. So really all you're doing is cutting and pasting. So what we care about is the current week, 6/17. So we want to get above the column right here where you have a down arrow, and then we're going to just click on that. So when you do that, it highlights the entire column. And now we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to our master document, 6/17. Down, see the little arrow above it to highlight everything? Right click. I'm going to paste, and then this is important because it also pasted the formulas. I don't want all that. So I paste the first time, I hit paste, then I'm going to hit paste values. If I just do paste values without pasting it first, it kind of doesn't keep the formats. So now we have Athens is all populated. Now we're worried about Columbus. So I go to the Columbus master ledger, same GM report, 6/17. I get above the column name, CI in this case. I right click and hit copy. Now I'm copying that. I go back to my main document and I right click. I'm going to paste it. That gives me all my formats and stuff, but I just want to now just keep the information without the formulas, so I hit values. So kind of two steps to pasting. Okay, we've got two stores. Now we just need Morgantown, and so we go to the Mountaineer Dough and right click above it, hit copy, and we go to back to the main document, the Morgantown tab, get above it with a little down arrow, right click, paste, right click, values. And now it just has values and not formulas that would be problematic. Now that I have all the data, I go to my current to tab. That's kind of the summary of everything. So it is now pulling data for the column that is labeled with the date June 17th. So just to double check that, Athens at 12/6/46. Sure enough, Athens at 12/6/46. Columbus at 13/5/12. 13/5/12. So just so you'll understand this, if I change this back to 6/10, it would pull all of the dates for that week. Okay, so now I have everything. Everything is pretty much automated, and we've already saved the file once. We're going to save it one more time. I can just hit save since I've already renamed it, and now I am through with that. I usually do a screenshot of this. I use Snagit. You guys may not have that, so however you want to get a screenshot, you very well may have to zoom down to about 60% or so to do a screenshot of the thing. Okay, thanks a lot.